Welcome to Kakum National Park. Charmaine, give us a 2 thumbs. Not the back. It's like frozen. Cathy's videoing, coming along nicely. The rest of our group. Jesus, this is not for the faint of heart. What you say, Kath? Jesus Christ, this thing is moving. You see that down at the end there? Yeah, man, just move with it, man. It's alright. I saw it stay when me da walk on it. It's alright. Yeah, man, you're good. Oh my God. Poor KK. You got it, K. You got it. You got it. You got it. Akila is done. Akila is done. Oh my God, Charmaine, what do you think of that? That was good. I mean, it is scary. It's rough, but
it's a must-do on your trip to Ghana.
a must-do.
It's a must-do. Look at this, Jesus. Oh my God, we still have to do that one. Oh,
and
God.
Another one.
And another one. Oh Jesus. This is the view from up here.
The third one.
Charmaine.
I survived! I survived!